Hello, my name is Josh Kanan, and this is the Premier Money Minute. A couple financial planning tips to think about and remind you of before we get to the end of the year. Number one is we're right in the middle of open enrollment period for healthcare or health insurance. So if you're trying to get your health insurance through the health insurance marketplace, this is that one time a year where you can actually make a change or enroll. So get that done by December 15th. If you're over 65, it's Medicare open enrollment as well. That started back on October 15th and ends on December 7th. Another thing to think about, maxing out your retirement plans. There's a handful of pay periods left before the end of the year, and if you're looking for some extra tax deduction or you want to plug a little bit more into your retirement plans, make sure you get up to that $19,500 figure for 401k plans, $26,000 if you're over the age of 50, so talk to your HR and try to get those numbers bumped up. And then RMDs, required minimum distributions. Remember, if you're over the age where you actually have to take RMDs, it's not required in 2020. As part of the CARES Act, they eliminated that requirement for this year only. So don't feel rushed as if you have to take those RMDs if you don't need those funds from your accounts. If you're over 70 and a half and you do want to make a charitable contribution, think about possibly doing a qualified charitable distribution from your retirement account, your IRA, where you can make that distribution to a charity without paying any taxes on that distribution. And then a couple other last things would be harvesting tax losses. If you have some gains that you have realized throughout the year, and then you have some things in your non-retirement accounts that have losses, you might want to offset some of those gains and losses before the end of the year to kind of wipe out some of that capital gain tax. And then a Roth IRA conversion. If you're concerned about being in a higher tax bracket in the future, you may consider converting some or all of your pre-tax IRA monies to Roth before year end. Until next time, thanks for listening to the Premier Money Minute.